Hello and welcome to their vlog. Today is Tuesday and I'm about to get started on the project we're doing. Oh, the lighting is very good here. We're doing a valve. Let me open it up. Open. Closed. Thumbnail. And we're going to install that right about here, the first one. So this is going to be sitting in like that. So that's today's project, or at least for now. I have to do some more sanding, get the production rolling, some more R&D work here. This project still needs some work. And then, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do for today. So stick around, please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'm not trying to go daily, but I am kind of enjoying making videos lately. So I'm just gonna document and crank out as much as I can schedule-wise. So let's get to it. Okay, cut this, not in half, but cut the appropriate pieces. Now we're gonna I need to cut this hose. There is a hole in there. Okay, testing. Alright, this is it for this video. If you like to support this channel, please consider subscribing. Give it a like, hit the notification bell, that way you get notified when I'm uploading again. I'm on a pretty good schedule right now. I'm on the roll. I have Monday, Wednesday, Friday uploads scheduled. So hit that bell and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.